Is an introduction to what a Smith machine is. So this is our Smith machine. Essentially what the Smith machine is this like cage with this bar. It has, ours has a lot of other stuff connected to it. Try not to think about the other stuff. I'm just talking about the bar that's on the rails. So with a Smith machine, you have a bar, but it only moves up and down. So if I was to take it off, I'm going to lift the bar and I'm going to turn it. You can see we have these spiky guys up the side. I can move the bar down and then I'm going to turn back into the spiky guys and I can put it on whatever height I want it to be. So that's how you move the bar up and down. You lift it a little, you twist it, and then you set the bar up or down to wherever you need the bar to go. The other thing that you can adjust on a Smith machine is the safeties down the bottom. So these safeties will stop the bar falling below a certain height. So the safeties at the moment are down quite low. How you would change them is normally there's like a handle on the side that you pull up and twist. Ours don't have that. So we just lift up, turn, and move them. And I've got two, I've got one on each side. So ideally you want them to be the same height. So once you adjust one, come over, lift, twist, and then adjust this one. So they're both the same height. The last thing we'll need to know about Smith machine is how we add weight to it. So you'll have to look on your Smith machine how much like the bar already weighs, because it will have a weight to it already. The ones that I'm used to are about 9 kilos, but somewhere, if you look around on your Smith machine, it should say. To add weight onto that weight, we can take plates and we can slide them onto the end, just like a barbell. So if I take 2 5-kilo plates, I'm going to put one on each side. You don't have to evenly weight it because it's on a track, but I like to evenly weight it because I need to. If I've added 10 kilos, let's say this was 9, I've added 5 on each side, now I've got 19 kilos. You don't need to clip it because it's on a rail, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so they're not going to fall off. Okay, and that is an introduction to how to set up a Smith machine.